Thank you,
Panchmeet
Pranav.
Season 2 coming in, and Panchmeet Season 2 is coming tomorrow on All Balaji, and we have the next 13 episodes of Season 1, where from Season 1, where it ended, we are picking up right from there when uh, the characters are there, all of them. Today we have with us Sameer Soni, Rushad Rana, Nikhil Bambri, Nikki Walia, and Priyank Sharma. Please give
Hello,
them a
friends.
huge round of applause. And
Did
Thank
you
you,
win
Janam.
something? What did you win?
and we will just play the trailer of season 2 for you all once, and then we start with the questions.
Superb.
Thanks, Shreya.
Mom's phone's calling.
Congratulations, I heard you're the new head boy. आज तुम्हारी माँ जिंदा होती, she would have been so proud. You're just an opportunist like her. नहीं. तू मॉम का सिर्फ एक चैरिटी केस है समझा? Let's bet. हारने वाला इस रिंग में कभी नजर नहीं आएगा how bad है.
Thank you, Ranveer. You've finally given me the closure that I've been looking for. It's a game, Ranveer. और गेम में जीतना जरूरी है.
लिखी कहानी और असल जिंदगी में ज्यादा फर्क नहीं होता.
We're a family, बच्चा. Trusting each other is what brings us together.
With time, पुरानी हैबिट्स आदत नहीं, जरूरत बन जाती है. मुझे ना ही आपके अप्रूवल की जरूरत है और ना ही किसी वैलिडेशन. आपको अपने बेटे को ट्रेन भी करना है. ट्रस्ट मी, he's gonna be needing it this time.
Ooh, all right.
Oh,
Lovely.
Yeah,
oh, goosebumps are happening. Damn.
this is gonna be fun.
Okay, guys, you
God.
all can turn on your cameras, the media people, and can just please tell your publication name, and we can take the questions one by one.
Oof. मजा आ गया है निखिल.
Janam, can I start?
Yeah, Shilpa, please go ahead.
Okay.
Hi Shilpa.
Hi, hello guys. Shilpa from Entertainment Tadka. And first of all, amazing trailer. हर पिछली बार की तरह ही वही रोमांस, फाइटिंग, एक कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट, काफी कुछ है. फुल ऑन एंटरटेनमेंट पैकेज है. Congratulations to whole cast and all the very best. Well, Priyank, आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी किस तरह से रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है राहत के इस किरदार को इस तरह से और आगे बढ़ते हुए देखकर. Priyank.
Thank you, Shilpa, for the question. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. पहली बात, I would like to say that राहत पहले सीजन में बहुत डिफरेंट शेड था. इस बार हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि बहुत इवॉल्वमेंट आया है कैरेक्टर में मेरे. तो मैंने कोशिश करी है कि यार मैं वो दिखाऊं, और people are liking it also. People can see the difference also between season 1 and season 2 का राहत. So I'm quite excited, yeah, for that. By till now, everybody's like been giving me a positive feedback. So fingers crossed, and I'm quite nervous. Let's see tomorrow what happens.
Okay, काफी सारे मैसेजेस भी आए होंगे फैंस के, कब आएगा सीजन 2 एंड मोस्ट अवेटेड कह सकते हैं. किस तरह से अवेट हो रहा था फैंस इस सीरीज के.
Totally, Shilpa.
ओके, समीर सर आपसे जानना चाहेंगे हाउ वाज एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑल ओवरऑल आगे के एपिसोड्स को लेकर कोई की खास बात आप अपनी तरफ से अगर शेयर करें.
How was the experience of doing season 2?
Yeah.
It was great. Yeah, I think the whole team is kind of gels really well. I think I was really looking forward, whether it's Nikki, whether it's, Priyank and the whole team. So the experience is fab. That's what actually draws us to this. We look forward to seeing each other and working again. And for me, personally speaking, also, my character is probably the most fascinating guy I ever played. I've never been so evil in my life. And working with Alt is like a family for me. So yeah, the project is good. The people you're working with are amazing, and the platform is great. So it's win-win situation.
ओके, निकी आप क्या कहेंगी, कितना खास रहा है इस बार का ये सेकंड सीजन क्या कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं फैंस? क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगी आप?
मेरे लिए तो बहुत खास रहा है क्योंकि आप सब जानते हैं कि मैं यूके शिफ्ट हो गई हूँ, यहाँ रहती हूँ। तो पहले तो मैं सबसे ज्यादा एप्रीहेंसिव थी इंडिया आने के लिए। आई वॉज वेरी नर्वस, मैं नहीं जानती थी कि ये हम कैसे कर पाएंगे। बट आई हैड माई फैमिली सपोर्ट एंड आई हैव अ किक एस मैनेजर निकिता पंबानी हु प्रॉमिस्ड मी दैट आप आ जाएं एंड वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ यू एंड वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल योर नीड्स। एंड आई थिंक शी डिलीवर्ड, क्योंकि उन्होंने बालाजी के साथ एक डील मेरे लिए क्रैक कर लिया था कि मेरा स्टे फैमिली के साथ नहीं होगा। मेरा घर इंडिया में है, लेकिन मैं इंडिया में आकर फैमिली के साथ रहना नहीं चाहती थी, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स ड्यूरिंग कोविड बहुत मुश्किल होता कि शूट पर जाओ फिर घर जाओ, है ना, तो इट वुड बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट। सो बालाजी रियली लुक्ड आफ्टर मी पर्सनली, एटलीस्ट आई कैन से। आफ्टर वी हैड अ फ्यू discrepancies, थोड़ी सी स्क्रिप्ट्स को लेकर, बट once we were on the set, Shilpa, we were fire, you know, all of us were looking forward. We were, मतलब फोमो हो रहा था हम सबको। I personally can speak for the whole team, हम सबको फोमो हो रहा था कि भाई कब स्टार्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि ऑडियंस भी पंचबीट 2 के लिए इतनी देर से वेट कर रही थी। And then when we finally started, fingers crossed, हम में से कोई बीमार नहीं हुआ। हमने start to finish, we took care of each other, not just the production taking care of us. We took care of each other, and along with working hard, we also had a lot of fun. So मेरे लिए it's been a beautiful experience.
क्या बात है निखिल, आपका कैसा अनुभव रहा है इस बार का? कितना मजा आया है? क्या कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे आप ऑडियंस के साथ?
इस बार तो मुझे बहुत ही मजा आया, बिकॉज मेरा कैरेक्टर को इतना और लेयर्स दे दिया था, एंड आई जस्ट हैड सो मच टू प्ले विद आदिश एज अ कैरेक्टर दिस टाइम। एंड मजा इस बात का आया कि इस बार हम लोग एक्चुअल ठंड में शूट कर रहे थे, और देहरादून की ठंडी, मतलब हम सब पहले अपने कपड़ों में थे जो कॉस्ट्यूम्स हमें दिए गए थे। जैसे माया मैम एक कुर्ते में थी, समीर सर वाज द luckiest, he had layers. So he had one t-shirt and a pullover and a polo, and I was like, "Bha," and he's like, "Chalo scene karte na." I'm like, "Sir, karne scene jaldi."
Nikhil, we managed layers for ourselves.
We
added it ourselves.
समीर को एक दिन अगर हमने एक जंपर नहीं दिया तो वो हमारे स्टाइलिस्ट से झगड़ा भी करते थे। क्या है, राजवीर जंपर्स पहन सकता है,
मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़ गए
पहन सकता है, दो मुझे।
राजवीर is the only character जो जंपर पहन सकता है, जैकेट पहन सकता है, दो मुझे, दो। पर किसी को ये नहीं पता था कि सर जंपर इसलिए मांग रहे क्योंकि उनको ठंडी से बचना है।
I was in character.
Well played. बहुत मजा आया। तो और नाइट की शूट्स तो हम प्रियांक और मैंने एक बार प्रियांक को एक गरम पानी में हल्दी, शहद और एक और चीज, मासी आपने क्या बोला था, नींबू। तो ये निकी मैम ने हमें आइडिया दिया था कि हनी नींबू डालो। तो मैंने एक बार प्री को पिलाया और फिर प्री बोलता है, भाई ये तो खतरनाक चीज है, पूरी ठंडी इससे निकालेंगे ब्रो।
निखिल वो हल्दी थी,
हल्दी भी थी उसमें।
अच्छा,
बहुत सही था यार वो, बहुत that something was very good.
वो ग्लास में तुम हल्दी
तो नहीं थी, मुझे लग रहा है सर,
पता नहीं क्या क्या था भाई, बहुत कुछ था उसमें।
नहीं, बट निखिल अंडरस्टैंड्स हम क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं।
ये वाला मैंने सिर्फ स्पेस में रखा है।
Anyway, moving on. तो हमारे
ये भी समझा, हल्दी
शिल्पा को सवाल पूछने दो यार, हम आपस में बातें
हमारी बातें चलती जाएंगी।
शिल्पा,
प्रियांक कैसा रहा है?
So Shilpa, I lost your voice. I lost what were you saying?
पता क्या होता है, कभी मिल जाता है।
Repeat your question.
Repeat your question. Yeah.
Repeat your question. We couldn't hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Just Dehradun. क्या कहना चाहिए?
Himanshu, could you please mute your mic, please?
My background.
कर फेंका होता है।
Himanshu, could you please mute your mic?
जैनम, डब्बा पैक भाई।
Yeah, continue Shilpa. Ask one more time, no, please.
Okay. प्रियांक शर्मा, प्रियांक से बात करना चाहूंगी, कैसे रहा प्रियांक आपका शूटिंग एक्सपीरियंस इस बार का?
मेरा शूटिंग एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा.
रोमांस एंड ऑल.
You know, Shilpa, मेरा shooting experience बहुत अच्छा रहा. Like how Nikki said, I'll totally agree to one thing that, you know, it's the reconnect of the entire team, which got us, you know, there, and we were able to, like, there were obviously problems. हर production में होता है, कहीं ना कुछ ups and downs चलते रहते हैं. But what kept us intact throughout was just the entire team and the, you know, and the connections and the relationships with each other. It was just so intact that we survived it, and we made sure that, you know, the entire project, we are trying to make justice to the project, to the story, to a maximum capability, to the capabilities, along with the director and the entire crew of ADs out there. Lightman, the DOP, has done a fabulous job along with the actors. So I believe it's a combined effort, and वो इस बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. तो वो इसी वजह से है, because all of us coming in. So I believe that हमें वो reconnect करने का जो मौका मिला ना, वो बहुत अच्छा मिला. कुछ महीने हम लोगों ने फिर से जिए, जो हमने सीजन 1 में बॉन्डिंग शुरू किए थे, रिलेशनशिप्स शुरू किए थे, हमने उसको फॉरवर्ड, we all took it forward, and we have lived on the sets, man. We have really lived. Like, I cannot deny the fact that we have had a lot of fun, and the way we have lived, you know, shooting with each other, no matter how cribby we are, no matter how happy we are, or no matter how stressed we are. Sometimes it's just like going, it just keeps going. But we were together and we had a lot of fun.
Yeah, just to add one thing what he was saying, even जब हम shoot करते थे और थक के वापस आते थे, we all still made sure we used to chill with each other. Like even Maya, even Priyank, me, like all of us, we used to make sure like we chill together. And like, because you know, Maya ma'am had the biggest room, we used to go and like just go get into her room. All of us just plonk us up and not let her sleep.
After you had the biggest room? Is that right?
And we all made sure we should just be in her room. All of us.
The cat's out of the bag now.
Not exactly the bag. मुझे हमेशा बड़ा कमरा इसलिए मिलता था क्योंकि मेरे सारे बच्चे आउटसाइड रोजवुड भी मेरे ही घर में होते थे.
मैं वही बोलने वाला था कि हम रूम से ज्यादा हम ना बाहर वो जो काउच एरिया होता है ना, हम वहां पे जो मंडली बना के सारे के सारे बेटा. Yeah, the couch area. आपके पीछे भी है समीर सर, आपके पीछे भी दिख रहे हैं.
Let's move on to the next question. Shilpa, are you done?
Yeah, last question. Priyank, जितना दिखने में easy लगता है, fighting sequence and all, कितना real लगता है, उतना ही उसको execute करने में उतनी मेहनत होती है. आपके लिए कितने challenging रहे हैं पूरे fighting sequence? अगर उन चीजों
यार ये तो बहुत मेहनत रही है यार शिल्पा. To be very honest, like, you know, I was like, Nikita Bambani is our manager for Team Nibham is here. Sameer sir, me, Nikki, Nikhil and Rushad sir. So like मैं हमेशा मेरी लड़ाई उस बेचारी से यही होती रहती थी कि मुझे फाइटिंग पे बहुत ध्यान देना है, because I'm just not delivering acting to the show. There is like much more than just an actor have to give to this show, which is a fighting sequence. So you have to make sure that you have to look like a certain, you know, MMA, because we got introduced MMA into this season. So I have to look a certain type, and then I have to work on the skill bit of it. So yeah, obviously with the shooting, you know, the time management was quite a problem. And we were just trying to be at it, like how to manage the timing of me shooting and then me going for my training and then me hitting the muscle training. So it was quite a lot, yeah, but like kar liya, manage aise karke. Luckily, I started my fighting prep some 3-4 months back. So I was quite, you know, when I was not able to get some time also during the time I was shooting, but my skill set was still there. So I just had to come in the practice again. So kar rahe the yaar, we were just trying to manage it. It's not that easy, but obviously that nothing comes across easy if, you know, you have to make it out there. So, you know, we are just like, I tried my best. So let's see. Yeah.
Very well said. Well, thank you so much, guys, and all the very best to all of you. Amazing and जितना पहले सीजन को प्यार मिला है उससे दुगनी तरह से प्यार इस बार भी मिले. यही.
Thank you, Shilpa.
Thank you, Shilpa.
Thank you, Shilpa. Can we take the next question, please? Runa, please go ahead. You are on mute.
Okay, yeah. Hi. Yeah, can you hear?
Hi, Runa.
Hi, Nikki. You're looking so cute.
so pretty. अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
Thank you.
अच्छा, यहाँ पे रुशाद से आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ. रुशाद, हिप हुर्रे के टाइम से आपका जो स्टूडेंट का लाइफ शुरू हुआ था, अभी आप इस लेवल पे पहुंच गए, तो आपने एज अ स्टूडेंट क्या किया था जो आप यहाँ नहीं करते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ रोल चेंज हो गए हैं?
Lovely question.
Well, Runa, I think the biggest change that these kids have nowadays, being students, what we didn't have back then, is social media. In fact, हम हमारे हिप हुर्रे के WhatsApp group पे अक्सर ये discuss करते हैं कि if we had social media back then, probably we would have been much bigger than what we were back then, and probably been able to connect with so many more people. So I think that is one major advantage that this lot has today. Priyank, Nikhil, and all the other kids, the main pact of Punchbeat. Rahi baat meri, coming, it's like a full circle now. Started my career as a student. Now I'm playing a boxing coach, aka professor. So I think this is my third or fourth show wherein I'm playing a professor. Done kaisi hai yaariyan, ye un dino ki baat hai. And I often get this question asked me, how has it been and everything. So I think it's just life coming across a full circle. तब मैंने जब हिप हुर्रे में एक्टिंग शुरू की थी, कभी सोचा नहीं था कि 20 साल बाद भी मैं काम करूंगा, लोग मुझे बुलाएंगे, people will want me to keep acting. So I just feel very blessed and very privileged, especially with this bunch of extremely talented performers, Nikki, Samir sir, and the terrifically hardworking Priyank, Nikhil, the entire bunch that we have. I mean, it's been an absolute wonderful experience now being on this side of the character.
Nikki, आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ कि आपने अपने रियल लाइफ के स्टूडेंट लाइफ से लेकर अभी तक में कितना अंतर देखा, और यही सवाल मैं समीर से भी जानना चाहूंगी.
लिसन, ये सारी जो शैतानियां कर रहे हैं ना रोजवुड के बच्चे, इससे 10 गुना ज्यादा शैतान में थी.
Please share.
I'm so sure about this.
मैंने ज्यादा वक्त अपनी माया, अपनी प्रिंसिपल के ऑफिस में बिताया है ना कि अपनी क्लास में. मैं बहुत ज्यादा ही शैतानी करती थी, अभी करती हूँ रूना. दैट शैतान इनसाइड मी हैजंट गॉन. पर मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कि माया का कैरेक्टर करते वक्त मुझे कितनी सैडिस्टिक प्लेजर होती है. कितनी सैडिस्टिक प्लेजर होती है. ना आई अंडरस्टैंड कि मेरी प्रिंसिपल बेचारी क्या, उस पे क्या बीतता होगा जब वो हर टाइम निक्की ऐसे खड़ी होती थी, ऐसे सर नीचे रख के उनके सामने, अब क्या कर दिया. तो अगर मैं स्पेसिफिक्स में घुसूंगी ना तो फिर मेरी इन बच्चों के आगे ना इज्जत थोड़ी टुई हो जाएगी. तो लेट्स नॉट गेट इनटू.
माँ, वैसे इज्जत नहीं होगी कम, हमें आइडिया तो है, वैसे थोड़ा बहुत तो है ही है. अभी हम इतना देख लेते हैं
और जो
कांड आप इतने देख रहे होते सामने के सामने, जस्ट लाइक इजी, just easy. So उसी से समझ आया था that,
Luna, this generation has gone a few steps ahead because of all the resources that are available to them, जो हमारे पास नहीं होती थी, and a few naughty habits as well, जो शायद मेरी नहीं थी. मैं तो बस भर के बोनियां भर के शैतान थी. That's all I can say. Right. So so yeah, but yeah, I can't tell you. I'm really telling you, devil's horns up when I'm Maya. I love it when I go.
समीर, आप भी तो शेयर कीजिए. आपको
ये तो आज भी शैतान है.
समीर सर तो सबसे ज्यादा शैतान है.
I know.
सबसे ज्यादा शैतान है.
बाद में मिलो तुम सब, मैं देखता हूँ. I'll tell you honestly, अभी Nikki said कि she was getting sadistic pleasures. जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है, I had only envy for these people because I went to an all boys school, and there I think the first time I went on a date or whatever was with the girl with her sister along, and I was in 10th standard. And what all these guys been doing in the show, मैं देख रहा हूँ, मैंने कहा यार साले जल्दी पैदा हो गए, थोड़ा लेट पैदा होते तो मजा आता है यार. So I have complete envy for these guys. I love them, I envy them, and God bless them. हमारे में तो मतलब, if a guy was seen with a girl, he was a superstar next in the school. If a girl entered a school compound, everyone said, "Hey, लड़की आ गई." यहाँ तो कुछ भी पार्टियां हो रही हैं. प्रियांक, 6 पैक दिखा रहा है तू?
मैं पार्टी में सर शो में दिखा रहा हूँ
मतलब कुछ भी
शो में सिक्स पैक दिखा दो मैं
सर
पार्टी
ये
में नहीं
सर
दिखाता
ये
कभी
सिर्फ
एक
रोबोट
लड़की
हाई में
किसी को
होता
किस
है।
कर रही है, लड़का किसी को किस कर रहा है, हम तो हेलो बोल के खुश हो जाते थे, अरे यार मजा आ गया आज तो यार। बेटा
हाँ
कोई बात नहीं,
नहीं बट सैम मैं भी ऑल गर्ल्स
हमारा दिन
सैम
आएगा।
ये तो स्क्रिप्टिंग है
आएगा
सर
आएगा रूना
ये
मैं
तो
भी
मैं
ऑल
तो ऐसा
reality
चाहता
में
था कि ऐसा हो,
मैं मुंह
ऐसा
मत
मैं भी नहीं
खुलवा।
चाहता था सर।
हाँ रियलिटी में तो तुम वो ना मतलब साधु हो तुम लोग, मैं जानता हूँ तो सबको,
सर
तुम्हारे
आप
कमरे में
देखेंगे
क्या होता है सब जानता हूँ,
मैंने
मुंह
अपने
मत खुलवा मेरा।
बाल भी अपने साधु वाले का रखे हैं सर, देख लो मैं कितना बड़ा साधु।
मुंह में राम राम बगल में छुरी।
समीर सर
आजा
डोंट
मेरे
जज अ
सामने,
बुक बाय इट्स
तेरी
कवर,
बात
डोंट जज
करूंगा
अ बुक
पूरी।
बाय इट्स कवर। ये साधु बिल्कुल नहीं अंदर से।
No, really, I envy these guys and I love them. I love the new generation. It's just because I see a lot of me in them that, you know, I just love them. And I, honest to God, like people like Nikhil and Priyank, from bottom of my heart, I hope they become big stars. Yeah, I really, really.
Very sweet of you.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so much.
He's
It-
always been wishing that.
No, it just,
Very
I don't know, because there's so much of innocence and there's so much of effort and there's so much of dreams in them. And these guys have worked so hard, you know, and you
all
know,
of them Runa all of
yeah,
them.
I'm not
I
singling
think all
them
the
out,
kids
but I'm not
Yeah.
talking about you, Nikki, though.
I know I'm not a kid
So I'm especially talking about the kids. Really, it was a sheer delight, and oh God, I love them. I cannot say enough how much I love and adore these guys, and I wish them they become bigger and bigger and bigger, and I keep playing their dad. So.
Runa,
Thank you,
Runa,
Samir,
have
sir.
you seen your इधर भी रामा चल रहा है ऑफ स्क्रीन?
हाँ
Rama
Runa,
happening
मैं बता रहा
off
हूँ
screen.
exactly.
This is the
Rama.
Try
most
reading between
organic.
the
This is the
you know,
most
try-
organic relation you will see off screen and off screen. On
I'm
screen.
getting all those vibes. I'm
Nick,
getting those vibes.
I'm telling Runa
हाँ,
that try
I'm
reading between
telling
these
I'm
boxes
telling
and the
Rajbir
windows.
you're right Nikhil I'm telling Rajbir क्यों सारे बच्चे अच्छे हैं सबने
हाँ,
अच्छा काम किया
She's like,
हाँ,
she's
हाँ,
being
मुझे
the,
पता है।
she's being the mother India. भाई सारे बच्चे अच्छे हैं.
आग लगा रहे हो यार, मैंने कब बोला नहीं बुरे हैं।
हाँ.
No, मैं आग नहीं लगा रही थी
दूसरे
But
आदमी
thank
के
you for
साथ
saying-
घूमने तुम जाते हो, मेरे
हाँ।
बच्चों पर नजर रख रहे हो तुम?
No.
बेशरम, मुंह मत खुलवा।
Yeah.
Next question.
Thank you.
Runa's like मैं पहले हंस लूं.
Can we take the next question?
Runa कह रही है ये क्या चल क्या रहा है, ये चल क्या रहा
Runa's
है?
like पहले रुक जाओ मुझे हंसने दो भाई फिर पूछती हूँ.
Seriously, I can really imagine. I wish on location allow करे ये लोग तो मैं बिल्कुल पहुंच जाऊंगी next आपके shoot पे just
Honestly,
laugh and have
but
fun.
okay, Runa, right?
जी.
पता नहीं आनी बार
Runa आशीष.
But
Runa-
honestly, you know,
Runa
when we
बुलाएं
were
आशीष
shooting-
बुलाएं.
honestly, when
आपने
we
जो
were
इच्छा
shooting,
बुलाई है.
Free क्या?
when we were shooting, honestly, when I was doing, you know, with scenes with Maya and stuff like that, I mean, I love Nikki. I think she's a fabulous, one of the best co-stars one could have. But you have to wait for her to shut up so you can hear the director. वो मुंह नहीं बंद होता उसका यार. वो कॉन्स्टेंटली समीर यहाँ खड़ा हो जा. अच्छा निखिल तू यहाँ आ जा. तो डायरेक्टर को तो बोलने दो यार. But I love you यार.
Oh God.
ये
God.
माया राजवीर का अलग से कनेक्शन दिख रहा है आपको.
ये
हम
राम
लेकर आए हैं ये
मानव
ऑफ स्क्रीन कनेक्शन लेकर आए हैं हम एक्सक्लूसिवली इस जूम इंटरव्यू मीटिंग में.
प्री मुझे ऐसी फील आ रही है एंड कट इट.
एंड कट.
ये वाली फील आ रही है.
Oh, great. Thanks a lot जवाब देने के लिए. Thank you and हंसाने के लिए बाप रे. Thank you.
Who's next?
चलो आओ.
Can we take the next question? Resham, do you want to ask anything?
Yes.
Guys, can I just come back from like in 2 minutes? I just need to use the loo. Can I just be there in 2 minutes?
Announce
So
कर
2
दे.
minutes.
Announce कर दे. मतलब announce कर दे.
मैं जा रहा हूँ friends, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
No,
फिर मैं आ
Priyank,
रहा
T10,
हूँ.
T10.
Yeah, or I just be there.
Sam, T10 ही होता है ना when you're going to use the loo?
हाँ?
T10 ना?
No.
N10?
N9.
What language are you talking?
You know when we are on set and everybody's on their headsets and if the actor is gone to use
The washroom.
the washroom, the code is T10.
Is that right? I don't know. I just say, man, I gotta go. Tough luck. Wait.
No. Between them when they announce.
Between the ADs is what she means.
I'm not
Between
saying-
the crew.
There is no code for going to the washroom. अबे जाना है. नहीं तो क्या करूँगा मैं?
The set language I think is T10. Like among the crew.
Between the
T10.
crew, you're not supposed to say that.
Or take 10. So take 10 minutes off basically.
No, it's toilet break. T10.
10 क्यों? Am I not getting?
Resha,
Can you go ahead?
Next question.
Yes.
सोच समझ के पूछना. हम लोग शैतान टोली हैं.
अब मैं ऑलरेडी नर्वस हूँ, मुझे और मत करो.
तुम क्यों नर्वस हो रही हो?
Take your breathe up, breathe in, breathe out.
इतनी भी ज्यादा नहीं, I'm fine, it's okay.
इतनी भी ज्यादा.
Then take 10.
Okay, so yeah.
Sorry,
so my first question is for Rushad, and I wanted to ask you. You've played the role of a professor before as well, as you mentioned in a lot of series before. So how is this role different from the roles that you've played before?
So in both the shows, Resham, in Kaisi Hai Yari, I played a music teacher, wherein they never really showed me playing a music instrument. I was just giving lectures to the kids. ये उन दिनों की बात है. I played their literature and drama teacher. तो वो एक थोड़ा सा flowery सा character था. यहाँ पे it has been Punchbeat has been very different because I am playing a boxing coach to begin with. Secondly, यहाँ पे I think my character Coach Rana has always been shown as someone who's serious, always at loggerheads with Rajbir, that is Sameer sir's character. More pro towards Rahat, Priyank's character. So I think इस बार थोड़ा सा serious था character मेरा. काफी सारे मतलब, so I basically am the underdog. I am someone, Sameer sir and my character have been have been opponents in our youth, and because of whatever reasons I stay back. मतलब मैं वो competition नहीं जीत पाता हूँ और समीर सर जीत जाते हैं, and because of that we are carrying forward that kind of a rivalry with each other even now. और वो rivalry आपको कहीं ना कहीं जैसे हम बच्चों को ट्रेन कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे भी दिखाई देती है, which they've made it very evident. I think season 2 में इस बात को इतना explore नहीं किया, season 1 में इस चीज को ज्यादा explore किया था. But it's been different. It's been more intense for me actually. The other two characters I played before that were more lively, were more fun. This has been more intense, and I'm like the underdog of the show, someone who's who could have made it big, who's not made it big. So that's how it's been different. And also playing a coach, I also got to learn a little bit about the sport. What it actually takes to be a coach. Learn some technical terms, थोड़ी बहुत technical चीजें सीखी. So उस तरह से काफी different था.
Okay. So next question is for Nikki. According to you, what exactly makes your character stand out in the entire story?
Standing all the time.
She herself. She is the very fact.
Thank you, Stan. That couldn't have been a better answer to that. I am standing all the time. So I stand out. I'll tell you very honestly, I think my chemistry with the kids on and off screen is so organic that when I'm playing Maya, it comes out extremely honestly. And whenever as an actor you perform honestly, you will reach out, or in your words, stand out. So for me, that's my USP. I have a beautiful relationship with all the children.
Amazing. So next question
Children. Children, when I shouted at you about my children, you said, I'm not talking about you, Nikki.
Next question.
I'm not talking about you.
So next question is for Sameer sir. You have played a lot of roles before as well. So what are the similarities or differences between the real life character that you're playing this time and the real life person that you actually are?
Okay, firstly, I've never played a character like this in my life. This is just it's just like the extreme I've ever done. And that's why, and it's actually diametrically opposite to the person I am. Rajbir is I call him unapologetically evil. He is what he is, and he doesn't apologize for being the way he is. He's a jerk. And initially it was tough for me because that's not what comes naturally to me. So his personality is totally different. But to get a chance to play something other than yourself is really fun, and he's just, so politically incorrect. He will say things and he will do things. And initially I had I was trying to defend him in some way, that what is the rationale of Rajveer's behavior, why he's behaving like that, and I couldn't really find it, quite honestly. Then I said, look, he is what he is, and take it or leave it. And then the moment I took that, then it was a blast. It was lovely. It's just like playing, Gabbar Singh. Yeah? I mean, just it was beautiful. I honestly loved. In fact, initially, even in the season 1, I think the team wasn't sure that I would do it because I never played a father to a grown-up guy. I mean, young guy, but still, I never done that, and never played someone so evil. Yeah, and I loved every bit of it. There is no similarity, but what you have to tap in is the emotional thing. Everyone has an ego. You might keep it in check. Everybody has certain biases, but you keep it in check. Rajveer does not keep it in check. He says, this is the way it is, and my way or the highway, and I loved it. So it was fabulous vacation for me as a person.
So next question is for Priyank. तो आपने फर्स्ट पार्ट में भी अपना किरदार बहुत ही अच्छे से निभाया था. So according to you, what were the additional inputs that you had to put in this time so that your character really leaves the effect that it does?
So basically, there is no additional inputs to it, but I would rather be saying that Rahat, on the other hand, in season 1 was figuring a lot about his own personal space, where he was coming out of a trauma of losing his mother, number 1. Number 2, settling into a completely new space out there, which was Rosewood High, and then expecting and meeting his idol, that was Rajveer Chaudhary, which Sameer sir is playing, meeting for the first time. Then the entire beautiful transition of how his idol becomes, first of all, he gets to know that he's the father. Then the father is quite, evil in this way, like how Sameer sir just, portrayed. So this was season 1 for Rahat. He was just into relationships, figuring his love life also, and coming out of certain things. Then there's a beautiful transition to season 2, where it's now settled. Things are much better. He has accepted the fact that his so-called father, you can say, Rajveer Chaudhary, is actually an evil guy. So he is quite settled with the entire scenario. And the most beautiful part, which I felt, and in season 1 and season 2, was between Rahat and Maya. How the entire chemistry and the bonding and the relationship of Rahat and Maya has been so pure since the season 1 to season 2. It's beautiful. It might be a little lesser comparatively to season 1. In season 2, people will get to see any which way. I believe that this interview is going to be releasing after the show is going to be, out there. So if talking about a little bit of the relationship, the season 2 between Rahat and Maya is going to be a little lesser. But again, the purity, the, of actually the establishment of, how a son and a mother's relationship has to be like, even if they are not related to the blood as well. But it has come out the most beautiful way. So yeah, this is what I just want to say about the show.
Okay.
Yeah.
So on a lighter note, Nikhil, I would like to ask you, apart from yourself, which character from the series is your favorite and why?
Character. Oh, nice question.
Which character from my...
Which girl, Nikhil, basically?
Yeah, Nick.
I actually like... We have a new entry in Rosewood High.
Yeah.
And I love Vikrant's character.
Oh, nice.
I really like Vikrant's character. He's a man with very few words, but a man of power. When he walks in with power without uttering a word. And that's what I love about that character the most. And he actually is the only one who can stand up and give competition or be at par with Rajveer. Because Rajveer, being the Rajveer
is already
he needs a takkar ka. So why sahi hai, maza aane wala hai.
Okay, so that's all the questions I had. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Resham.
All
Thank
the best.
you.
I'm sure your series is going to receive a lot of love.
Thanks,
Yes,
Resham.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Can we take the next question, please? Hi, Mohit.
Hi, Mohit.
Please go ahead.
Hi.
Where's Mohit? Mohit.
Hello.
Hi, Mohit.
Hi, Mohit. Hi.
Hey, Mohit, you've been there for a while, yeah? I like the jacket you're wearing. What is that? Yellow.
Hoodie.
Hoodie, is it?
That's a hoodie.
What brand?
I don't know.
No, I was looking for a hoodie. I couldn't find one. Sorry, go on.
So my first question is for Priyank. Priyank जी, season 1 2019 में रिलीज हुआ, अब उसके बाद season 2 2021 में, इन सब के बीच में आपका सफर कैसा रहा?
मोहित, सफर तो बहुत ही गजब रहा है। मतलब मैं सच बताऊं तो मुझे ये 4 साल जब से इंडस्ट्री में आया, सीजन 1 से सीजन 2 में तो टाइम पता ही नहीं चला कब से कब निकल भी गया, और मैं यहाँ पे 28 का हो गया। कहाँ 18 का मुझे कैरेक्टर प्ले करना था। करते मैं 28 का हो गया। बट इतना ब्यूटीफुल रहा है बिकॉज आई बिलीव दैट गॉड हैज बीन वेरी वेरी काइंड टू मी इन टर्म्स ऑफ वर्क, आई शुड बी सेइंग, सो माय प्रोफेशनल स्पेस। सो यू नो ऐसा ही होता है मेरे हिसाब से। तो ये जो 2 से 3 से 4 साल है ना, काम में इतने ब्यूटीफुली निकले हैं, अपने आप में ही अपने आप को संभालने में, चीजें समझने में इतने शानदार तरीके से निकले कि मुझे पता ही नहीं चला ये 4 साल कब निकले, और पंचबीट 2 भी हो गया। आप समझ रहे हो? तो यही मैं बोलना चाहूंगा इस चीज के लिए। मजे चल रहे हैं।
So the next question is for Nikhil. निखिल जी, पंचबीट सीजन 1, उसके बाद Who's Your Daddy, आपके दोनों सीरीज काफी अच्छे गए। स्टारडम मिलने के बाद आपकी फीलिंग कैसी है?
फीलिंग स्टारडम की तो पता नहीं, बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स आई एम ऑन अ लैडर, और हर प्रोजेक्ट के साथ एक स्टेप मैं ऊपर लेते जा रहा हूँ। तो स्टारडम को साइड पे रखते हुए फीलिंग तो बहुत ही मजेदार है। आई एम लविंग द वाइब, आई एम लविंग द वर्क। एंड एक चीज होता है दैट इफ एन एक्टर लव्स हिज प्रोजेक्ट, हिज कैरेक्टर, तुम्हारी खुद की जर्नी इतनी स्मूथ हो जाती है, एंड you enjoy the process. And the very fact that I have said it in various interviews that I did my debut with my Masi, Nikki Walia. So that was like, I was like, damn, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. So I mean, it's a great feeling, yeah. It's a great feeling when you achieve और तुम्हारा hard work और रंग लाता है और सफल हो जाता है. You're just like, dude, done it all.
और ऑल बालाजी के साथ आपका काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
ऑल बालाजी के साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस, व्हेन यू कंपेयर बोथ द प्रोजेक्ट्स, पंचबीट एंड Who's Your Daddy, दोनों एक्सपीरियंसेस बहुत अलग थे, बिकॉज वी हैड डिफरेंट क्रू, डिफरेंट ग्रुप, डिफरेंट कास्ट, एवरीथिंग अलग. बट व्हाट आई रियली लाइक्ड इज कि एवरीवन अराउंड यू, इट्स जस्ट कि सब इतने फ्रेंडली होते हैं, और वो जो केमिस्ट्री सबके साथ बन जाती है, व्हेन यू मेंटेन दैट, shooting together also becomes a lot more easier. जैसे Maya ma'am ने कहा that we all had like this this unity that we created amongst us. So when you have that, मजा आ जाता है to shoot. And then all Balaji as a production had their things sorted out, like when are we shooting, how are we doing it. So everything fits in. थोड़े ऊपर नीचे तो होते ही हैं, ups and downs तो होते ही हैं, but otherwise it was a great journey.
Thank you. So next question is for Sameer sir. Sameer sir, fans जानना चाहते हैं बेवफा सी वफा सीजन 2 आएगा in future, can we expect?
मुझे लगता तो नहीं है यार, अगर आना होता अब तक आ जाता। but पता नहीं है, you'll have to ask Alt Balaji about it. Even I was looking forward to it. अगर you never know, strange things happen, मगर अभी तक तो कोई वो नहीं है, information नहीं।
Thank you. So next is Rushad sir. सर, आपने मोहब्बतें फिल्म से शुरुआत की, आपकी कई फिल्मों में काम कर चुके हैं, OTT पर काम करने का आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है?
बहुत ही बढ़िया है। मैंने अपना OTT की शुरुआत पंचबीट से ही की है। पंचबीट वाज माय फर्स्ट OTT शो। सो इट्स बीन वंडरफुल। मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं OTT और फिल्म्स आज ऑलमोस्ट दे आर एट पार, इवन विद द वे दे शूट, द वे और जिस तरह का कंटेंट बन रहा है, आई थिंक आई डोंट सी मच डिफरेंस ऑन अ मूवी सेट एंड एन OTT प्लेटफॉर्म सेट। हाँ, टेलीविजन बहुत अलग है, बहुत डाइवर्स है। आई एम श्योर निकी मैम इस बात को सहमति देंगी मेरे साथ। बट या, आई मीन इट्स बीन अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस। द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि यू नो OTT में और फिल्म्स में हमें कैरेक्टर्स पे काम करने का टाइम मिलता है, हमें पहले से स्क्रिप्ट्स मिल जाती है, तो वी कैन डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ होमवर्क, वी कैन काइंड ऑफ फॉर्म अ कैरेक्टर टीवी में हमें वो लग्जरी नहीं मिलती है। एंड ऑब्वियसली अब पैंडेमिक का टाइम चल रहा है, लास्ट ईयर से, लॉकडाउन के टाइम से अभी तक, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू द सेकंड वेव, थर्ड वेव एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स। ज्यादा लोग अब ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, सिनेमा हॉल्स आर नॉट वर्किंग एनी मोर। So I think we have entered a beautiful new spectrum of work, all of us, जहाँ पे हम सारे लोग मिलके बहुत अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं और हमें वो काम करने की फ्रीडम मिल रही है। So I'm very excited to be part of this whole OTT gamut which has begun now.
Thank you sir.
Thank you.
So next is निकी मैम। निकी मैम, आपने टीवी सीरियल और फिल्मों में भी काम किया है, ओटीटी पर आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
बहुत बढ़िया, मेरे लिए तो इट्स लाइक अ गॉड सेंट मोहित, बिकॉज आप जानते हैं कि मैं अभी यूके में रहती हूँ, इंडिया में नहीं रहती हूँ। तो मेरे लिए वापस आकर टीवी जो इतने लंबे समय के लिए चलता रहता है एक शो करना, अब बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि मैं अपनी फैमिली लाइफ और अपनी वर्क लाइफ में बैलेंस बहुत जरूरी समझती हूँ। सो जब से ओटीटी स्टार्ट हुआ है एंड द वैरायटी ऑफ रोल्स जो मिल रहे हैं मुझे करना बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, और मेरे लिए आसान भी हो गया है कि मैं यूके से इंडिया आकर कुछ समय के लिए काम करके वापस अपने बच्चों के पास जा सकती हूँ। जो पहले सिर्फ मुझे फिल्म्स के साथ मजा आता था कि मूवी का आपने कैरेक्टर किया, खत्म करके आप घर आ गए। अब ओटीटी के साथ ये हो गया है कि आप अगर एक अच्छा शो करते हैं, एक अच्छा किरदार करते हैं, तो आप जाते हैं 3-4 महीने के लिए, शो करके वापस आ जाते हैं, एंड डेफिनेटली सीजन 2 गारंटी होता है। तो आपको पता है कि आपने लंबे समय तक you got work, and I love what I do, Mohit. So I'm very passionate, and thanks to OTT मेरे लिए अब आसान हो गया।
Thank you मैम। So
Thank you Mohit।
my last question again प्रियांक सर। प्रियांक जी, आपकी अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट क्या है? जैसे कि काफी पहले से ही लग रहा है पंचवीर सीजन 2 काफी शानदार होने वाला है।
थैंक यू
मोहित की तैयारी भी चालू है?
किसकी मोहित?
पंचवीर सीजन 3
यार सीजन 3 तो ये तो मेकर्स ही बताएंगे कि वो बनाना चाहेंगे नहीं बनाना चाहेंगे, वो यही बताएंगे। मेरे साथ करना चाहेंगे नहीं करना चाहेंगे वो वही बताएंगे। तो आई बिलीव आपको उन्हीं से पूछना चाहिए, बट आएगा तो इंशाल्लाह, क्यों नहीं करेंगे। द स्क्रिप्ट एंड एवरीथिंग इज डेफिनेटली मेकिंग सेंस टू मी। देन बिल्कुल हम सीजन 3 में भी आके तहलका मचा के जाएंगे यार, क्यों नहीं। मतलब सीजन 1 2 नहीं छोड़ा तो 3 कैसे छोड़ देंगे हम, मतलब और क्या।
3 में WWE करेंगे।
मैं कह रहा हूँ सर,
बॉक्सिंग से MMA अब WWE करेंगे।
Yeah, proper entries and the drama. And the drama, yeah. Nice.
Can we, Mohit, have we done?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Mohit.
Thank you, Mohit.
Thanks, Mohit.
Do we have any more question, guys? We have 10 minutes. Yeah, please stick to 2 questions now. We have a limited time.
Sir.
Yeah.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन
में मजा आ रहा है नहीं
प्रियांक सर?
I don't loving it.
प्रियांक सर, सबसे पहले तो आपको अभी कांग्रेचुलेशन पंचवीर के सीजन 2 के लिए।
थैंक यू आर्यन, थैंक यू सो मच। आर्यन या आनंद, क्या बुलाऊं? 2 नाम है
सर, जो कहेंगे
दोनों
वो
नाम ही
सही होगा।
ठीक है, आनंद बोलता हूँ मैं तेरे को। आनंद
हाँ सर, सब लोग आनंद ही बोलते जाते हैं।
ठीक है। थैंक यू आनंद।
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्या हम एक डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ राहत देखने को मिलने वाला है, जिसका एक डिफरेंट माइंडसेट हो सीजन 2 में?
डेफिनेटली आनंद, आपको एक डिफरेंट वर्जन मिलने वाला है राहत का। राहत 2.0 बेसिकली मैं बोल रहा हूँ सीजन 2 के साथ। राहत सीजन 1 में डिफरेंट थे, अभी एक इवॉल्व वर्जन आपको मिलेगा। डिफरेंट तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, बट इवॉल्व डेफिनेटली बोलूंगा। सो आप लोगों को राहत का इवॉल्व वर्जन मिलेगा, एंड आई होप पीपल विल लाइक इट। सो देखते हैं।
यस सर, डेफिनेटली। सर, दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी आप ही से है।
अच्छा, बता।
जैसा कि एज वी ऑल नो कि हमारे इंडिया में, अब बाहर की तो बात मैं नहीं करूंगा, अगर पर्टिकुलरली हम लोग इंडिया की बात करें तो फिर इंडिया में टीनेज ड्रामा या फिर टीनेज स्कूल लाइफ की सीरीज बहुत चलती है, पॉपुलर होती है। और हम सबको पता है कि पंचवीर का सीजन 2 भी इसी से रिलेटेड है। और सीजन 2 इसका ट्रेंडिंग में है। तो फिर क्या आप लोग के ऊपर कुछ प्रेशर रहा था कि सीजन 1 में जिस तरीके का स्टैंडर्ड सेट किया गया था उसी तरीके के स्टैंडर्ड को सेट रहने के लिए?
या प्रेशर तो हमेशा होता ही है, नर्वस तो आप हमेशा ही होते हैं जब आप एक प्रोजेक्ट शुरू कर रहे होते हैं। बट हमें वो प्रेशर कहीं ना कहीं भूलना पड़ता है, बिकॉज हमें काम पे वापस आना पड़ता है। और फिर उसके बाद हम अपना काम पूरा कर देते हैं और फिर हम जनता पे छोड़ देते हैं, ऑडियंस पे छोड़ देते हैं। कि ऑडियंस को जो अगर समझ आएगा, देखिए हम प्रेशर लेते हैं लेकिन ज्यादा प्रेशर लेना भी ना हमारे काम के लिए ठीक नहीं है, मैं आपको सच बताऊं, हमारे मेंटल स्टेट के लिए ठीक नहीं है, एक्टर्स के लिए स्पेशली। सो हम मतलब किसी के लिए भी नहीं है, एक्टर्स की बात क्या करें, किसी के लिए भी नहीं है, बट हम काम करते हैं और फिर भगवान पे और ना ऑडियंस पे छोड़ देते हैं और अपनी ऐसे ना ऐसे बैठे होते हैं तुबक के, जैसे अभी मैं बैठा हूँ सामने टीवी, कल रिलीज होएगा तो पता चलेगा यार, जो भी है ट्विटर पे समझ आ ही जाएगा, रिव्यूज ऐसे भी। तो जनता जनार्दन।
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for
Thank
answering.
you, Anand.
Surbhi, you can go next.
Yeah, thank you so much. Hi guys, how are you?
Hi, Surbhi.
Hi, Surbhi.
So I will go with Sameer sir because video start hote hi I was like head over heels, super entertained. So Sameer sir, there's this thing, you know, which I also personally feel is that, you know, there are many characters. For example, Akshay Kumar, you know, who says that, you know, he may have done a lot of work, but the kind of roles that he's doing now, he's extremely proud of. And same goes for you. You are doing some amazing roles of late. So do you think it's a 2.0 version of your career? And which one is your most favorite role till now?
Yeah, this is actually, I kind of call it the second innings, the one I've been waiting for a long time, because for the longest time I was stuck in between. And I was dying to play more matured roles, and I was stuck in this young husband, young father, young this, that, a sweet, nice guy. And I was waiting for something, you know, more that can show a different aspect of my personality. Luckily, they all came at the same time. I mean, the Mumbai Saga, in which again I play like a bad guy. And then in Big Bull with Abhishek again, which started actually, honestly, this whole thing started with Punch Beat. So yeah, I'm loving it, because earlier it was just about how you look. Now finally it's about what you can do. And yeah, I'm very, very happy.
Which is your favorite role you played in that?
This honestly, this character is my favorite, and some of the scenes I've done with Priyanka are like, I put them on my show reel. I mean, they're that cool.
Yeah, actually,
it's just fab. I mean,
I saw one of the scenes of us where you're walking. अच्छा, हमने साथ में ही तो देखा था सर, जब मैं आपके पीछे चल रहा हूँ, है ना, जिसमें मैं बात कर रहा हूँ.
It's just, I mean, I love every bit of this character, and it's definitely my favorite. And I think it's working with, you know, the people you work with that brings out the best in you. I think that's what I think I like to add about the show also about the casting is that everyone is so perfectly positioned that no one's trying to outdo, outshadow, nothing.
Yeah.
And the better the other person is, the more you are better. So everybody raises your level of performance. So I think we got a beautiful, lovely, talented team. And yes, this is definitely the most exciting character. And I wish there's season 4 and 5, and I wish Rajbir gets more and more evil.
God bless Rahat. God bless Rahat. Maya to specially Rahat. And then
hey, I'm there to protect you, Rahat.
Oh, thank you. He's here.
I think
My coach is here.
In this show, I think in every scene I've either broken something or screamed at someone or abused someone. Glass तोड़ दिया. So I think एक दो बार I think Nikki के ऊपर भी थोड़ा आ गया था. So but fun. I know.
Yeah, he showered me with love in many ways.
No, really, from the bottom of my heart, this is the most exciting role I could have ever played, and the most exciting people I worked with. Really, they're really lovely. They're special to me.
Lovely. My next question is for Nikki. I know that. I know you're staying in London, and you're very obviously with your family and very happy in a very happy space. Now that you're coming to OTT, there are a lot of, and you're playing this very, very dignified lady in this Punch Beat, and and your character looks very dignified. You know, the way you carry yourself, the way you dress, everything looks super dignified. And even like many of us look up to carrying ourselves like how Nikki does it in Punch Beat.
Wow.
So I would want to know, are there any other roles in OTT which you would like to look forward to? जिसके लिए आप अपना family 3 महीने के लिए छोड़ के आप आएंगे और 3-4 महीने के लिए आके आप ऐसा रोल करेंगे. Is there any other role which you really look forward to in OTT?
Well, yeah, I am. I'm doing a character called Happy Auntie, which is completely contrast to my character in Punch Beat. It is in my show Never Kiss Your Best Friend. So
Happy Auntie.
yeah, I'm playing.
Nikki, what kind of stuff are you doing here?
Well, which kind of happy is in your dirty head?
Happy Auntie, हमको भी मिलना है Happy Auntie.
हमारा शो भी पीजी है, हमारी इंटरव्यूज भी पीजी है. So
Nikhil, we are not here.
I know, right? No, so I'm playing this character which I never thought I would. Sorry.
Sorry, no, sorry, ma.
नहीं, बोल ना बच्चा. We're all a team here.
Nothing. Sorry, we don't want to cut you. So it was between me and Nikhil.
Rahat is a happy boy.
So yeah, I've done
Yeah.
Happy Auntie to Never Kiss Your Best Friend. And I never thought I could do it, but my director was extremely excited that I do it. And he convinced me that I have to play this very loud, brash Punjaban who has zero etiquette. Class to matlab bahut dur ki baat hai. So I personally could not resonate with that. And I was like, obviously as an actor, I thought great challenge, but aapki jo reservations hoti hain, I put it all out in front of my director and he said, sir, matlab मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा ये सुर पकड़ने के लिए, because मैं रियल लाइफ में ऐसे अबे किथे चल है तू ऐसे, you know, even doing this for this 2 seconds for me is like, it's like an out of body experience. But I thoroughly enjoyed myself and I worked with Nakul and Anya Singh and it was amazing. The other kind of roles I would like to do, thankfully are coming my way. There are some roles which I'd like to do, I don't get cast for because of the stereotype that I'm extremely elegant and I cannot look, in their words, मैं गरीब नहीं लग सकती. And I just feel that is such a slap on my caliber as an actor. Because anyway, that could be another conversation another time, but आपके सवाल का जवाब ये है कि I just, as an actor, don't like it when you are put in a box. I have been here, I've been around for almost 28 years now as an actor. And मैंने जितने roles किए हैं, उसके बाद अगर आप मुझे कहते हो कि नहीं आप पर ये ठीक नहीं लगेगा, so I would always say, excuse me, I beg to differ. But yeah, I'm loving what I'm doing as of now and I'm glad.
Lovely. Okay, my last question is for Priyank. I know that I had questions for all of you, but then I have to ask 2 questions. I'm asking 3. I'm really sorry. Priyank, आप बोलते हो so Priyank, आप बोलते हो कि आप ना ही सिर्फ एक डांसर हो बल्कि आप एक एक्टर भी हो, and then at the same time आप सिर्फ एक एक्टर नहीं हो, आप एक डांसर भी हो. So do you really think that being a dancer has helped you shape or get better roles as an actor, especially being a dancer and being so fit has helped you in these action sequences in Punchbeat?
Definitely. So I would like to say that dancing से मुझे कोई character को approach करने में फायदा नहीं हुआ है. Dancing as an art form से मुझे सीखने में वो art form को अगर मैं authentic basis पे बात करूँ तो उससे बहुत फायदा हुआ है, because dancers has this beautiful ability to not use their lip syncing नहीं करते. तो अगर जो proper dancers होते हैं जो हम dance करते हैं तो हम we make sure that जब आप हमें थिएटर में डांस करते हुए देखेंगे या फिर हमें स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करते हुए देखेंगे, हम लिप सिंक नहीं करेंगे. हमारी बॉडी बहुत कुछ बोलेगी, बिकॉज इट्स अबाउट दैट, इट्स अबाउट मूवमेंट. एंड हमारा फेस और आईज बहुत एक्सप्रेस करते हैं जब हम परफॉर्म कर रहे होते हैं. तो वी डोंट नीड टू एक्चुअली यूज आवर माउथ टू एक्सप्रेस व्हेन इट कम्स टू डांसिंग, एंड दैट हैज ब्यूटीफुली हेल्प्ड मी इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्टिंग. बिकॉज एक्टिंग में अब मुझे सिर्फ जबान साथ में चलानी पड़ती है, ऑब्वियसली, बट एट द सेम टाइम I say it that dancers are 50% actors, 50% athletes, because they know this game already of expressions and the feelings, because they already have it. Now, talking about me being a professional dancer, helping me in the fighting sequences, yes, because again, it's movement. Dancing is movement. Learning fighting is just about movement. So if you're very much interested into this movement, entire thing, and if you like choreographies, then for you, adapting the skill of fighting is comparatively easier than the rest of the world when it starts. So yes, it definitely helped me, and how a lot. So yeah, this is what I just want to say.
All the best for Punchbeat, guys.
Thank
Love
you,
the
Surbhi.
trailer.
Thank you.
Absolutely loving all your looks. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Surbhi.
Thank you, Surbhi. We can take the next question. Guys, do we have any more questions? Turn on your cameras.
Jainam, I think Surbhi can ask her other 2-3 questions that she had.
Yeah, actually, till then.
Thank you so much.
Go for it, Surbhi. Go for it. We are back.
Lucky me.
Yo, you're back.
So yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This is Ekta Ma'am's serial.
Season 2.
Yeah, season 2.
Hey, long time no see, Surbhi.
No, this is Ekta Ma'am's serial. It's a double role.
Absolutely.
Hey, be careful what you say.
This is being recorded. Yeah.
Okay, so my next question is for Rushad. You know, recently first of all, I'm absolutely loving your interviews of late, and love reading and seeing you talk in your interviews. So my question is that, you know, you said in a very candid way that, you know, you still reach out to directors after so many years of experience, you know, and it's absolutely no problem for you to reach out to directors. I would like to ask, you know, how does it, honestly tell me, how does it feel to still chase people for work? And, you know, what is that one great role which you think you could have done very well, but then somehow you missed that opportunity?
Well, you asked 2-3 questions in one question, so I'll take it part by part. Well, I don't feel any shame in approaching casting directors for work. So the way my career has always gone, for a lot of actors, it's always been in phases. There are phases when we have so much work कि हमें मना करना पड़ता है. There are phases when there is absolutely no work where we have to reach out to casting directors. Plus actors के साथ क्या होता है, a lot of the work that gets lost from us is because of perception. समीर सोनी जी तो बहुत महंगे होंगे, उनको अप्रोच नहीं करेंगे. निकी मैम लंदन में रहती है, अरे वो कैसे आ पाएंगे, उनको अप्रोच नहीं करेंगे. अरे रुशाद राणा तो आजकल डेली सोप कर रहा है, उसके पास तो डेट्स ही नहीं होगी, उसे अप्रोच नहीं करेंगे. अरे आपको कैसे पता मैं डेली सोप को 5 दिन दे रहा हूँ, 6 दिन दे रहा हूँ, या जैसे कि अभी मैं अनुपमा कर रहा हूँ, I shoot 1 day in a month. So people tell me, आजकल तो बहुत बिजी है, छाया हुआ है टीवी पे, अनुपमा कर रहा है. अरे भाई मैं 1 दिन के लिए शूट करता हूँ जाके. So
Rushad sir, beautifully said.
And now taking a step ahead, wherein I don't need to approach casting directors. I have appointed our very lovely Nikita Bhambani as our manager. Thanks to Nikki ma'am and Nikhil and Sameer sir's encouragement, I have got her on board, wherein I have that hope and that assurity that a lot of parts are not going to go away because of some perception attached, कि ये ऐसा होगा, ये वैसा होगा. What was the other question you asked? इसके बाद, sorry.
So what is that one big role which you think you could have done, like you would have been the best in, but then somehow you lost the opportunity?
Actually, I don't remember that one particular role, but I said I was off TV for 3 years because I was focusing on 2 films which were in my kitty, which were very, very promising, which I thought would help me make that jump from TV to films, which I think a lot of us actors aspire to do. तो उस 3 साल के पीरियड में मैंने बहुत अच्छा काम टीवी पे मैंने जाने दिया. I don't even remember now what those projects were. So it could have been any of those roles which I feel that I could have done, and which I could have done well, and I couldn't do them because of that 3-year time period that I was not doing work, not doing TV per se. So yeah, there's not that one particular role, but that entire span of 3 years, which I feel I lost out on a lot of good projects.
Okay. Thank you so much. Wishing you more and more good work and luck for future.
Thank you so much.
So my next question is for Nikhil. Nikhil, you and Priyank share some great chemistry on screen, and like especially in the show and off screen as well. How has your bond been with Priyank off screen? And what are the 3 takeaways which you would like to take from this show?
They're still dating each other.
Oops.
I love the question.
Chemistry.
Okay, so talking about chemistry, biology, and physics, and all of that between us.
Geography also.
There's everything except history. There is no history.
No, we reach out to places also, in geography, Nick. reach out to the places
and make our graphs. Anyway, but getting back to your question, our chemistry on screen and off screen is fab. The only sad part is that on screen we have to hold up on our censorship.
Yeah, exactly.
Because on screen we are playing characters and we are not Pri and Nick. But if you really want to know a lot, you should meet us in person.
Yeah, man. I like me and Nick have been waiting, like if we can use actually this off-screen bond we have,
We have
somewhere
like these
in the show.
two, three really
Yeah.
cool things that we do amongst us, and if we can like
We'll keep it
somehow,
for the shows. Yeah, we'll keep it. We'll keep it for the shows.
yeah. So yeah, it's been great. It's great, and you know what I really love when I work with Pri as an actor is that we feed off each other's energies.
Oh yeah.
We feed off each other's energies. So it's more like when I drop somewhere, he picks it up.
We
from
take it
there,
up.
and
Yeah,
when
yeah,
he drops
that's
it, I pick it up from there. So we've got some great
Oh, yeah.
energies we feed off each other.
Mm.
So we'll just leave it at energies for now.
I remember, Nick, you remember that one emotional scene also of yours when you were like shooting and like everybody was scattered because it was
Correct.
the set.
Correct.
And I remember like looking at just Nick because I know he's too much. Like it was his, scene out there. So I knew that he's there in a zone and like somebody has to be there, with him because everything is scattered and you can't blame anybody because there's so many people working. Everybody is like, figuring their own stuff during the set once the scene is on, and especially when so many people and children, we all coming together. It's actually a,
It's a madhouse.
It becomes a madhouse.
Like we really
So-
need Maya on set even if Maya's not
Yeah,
shooting.
actually.
Maya, aa jao, chup kar jao, sabko chup
Actually,
kar
yeah.
jao.
So that everybody is, whenever the Sameer sir is there, Nikki is there, or maybe Rushad sir is there, everybody just like, we are just quiet. A different version altogether of
Yeah,
all
we
of
should-
us.
we should tell them. So
Serious
there's-
version of all of us.
There's this scene in the common room area, okay? I cannot say more about it, but there's this scene, okay? And there are two scenes in that. One was with all the kids and one was with the kids and the adults like Rajveer, Maya, Rana, and the new cast who've been added. Even they.
Added.
Our scene took more than 3.5 hours. I'm not exaggerating. Ask me. When the elders came into the scene, 40 minutes we wrapped up the scene.
Yeah.
I was just like, dude, we kids take forever. These adults, they take 1 or 2 takes to wrap it up, and then we just like, dude, we took 3
No, that's
hours.
because हमारे close-ups
That
नहीं
was
कटे
because
थे।
we had an early pack-up time here.
No, हमारे close-ups नहीं कटे थे।
कह रहे हैं हमारे close-ups नहीं करते।
तेरे को घर जाना था यार.
Rushad
Sorry.
sir, killing it, savage.
Sorry यार.
Savage.
Rushad sir ने हमारे
चीजें हमारे close-up नहीं है।
Survi, what did you notice about Pri and Nikhil's chemistry? This is a very sweet question, by the way, because these two are like inseparable.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Pri and Nikhil share something really special,
Yeah.
There's something that when they're together, there's something in their eyes that happens. And
Yeah,
and
it's
if you're
called
around,
Shitani.
you can
It is
feel
called
it.
Shitani.
The
Shitani?
nose, the lips.
Oh, okay. Acha, you were wrong the other way. Sorry.
It's the neck, it's the chest, everything.
Pri,
But
calm
it's-
down.
the
Control
chemistry,
yourself, Pri.
chemistry is sizzling.
Yeah.
Understanding, right?
We are just the sizzling brownie with the core vanilla ice cream on it.
तो ये interview पंचवीर के लिए हो रहा है, Triple X के लिए नहीं हो रहा है।
मैं बता तो रही हूँ कि हमारा इंटरव्यू भी पीजी है. Chill करो थोड़ा.
They were really. They have a special chemistry,
Yeah, but jokes apart, it's beautiful when you have a chemistry like this with your co-star, even off screen.
I wish I had that chemistry with Nikki. I don't have chemistry with Nikki.
मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी. I have no comment.
We'll just leave it at that. Moving on.
Yeah, moving on. Let's get a little serious now, comparatively. And
Serious?
no tricky jokes.
अरे क्या बोल रही है यार?
लेकिन क्यों?
A little serious because it's a serious question right now. Serious question is for the seniors. Seniors as mentioned by Priyank and Nikhil. It's for Sameer, Rushad, and Nikki. Is that you are some of the most experienced actors in this lot, at least. Okay, and do you think OTT is the next theater? Like, you know, a lot of actors in the OTT, especially thanks to OTT, a lot of actors have revived. You know, we've managed to see a lot of them after a lot of time, after a great amount of time. So do you think it's going to remain the same after things get normal, or OTT is going to be the next theater, or are we going to see those actors in Bollywood?
Nikki, you want to go?
No, go for it, Sam, because I think all of us are going to be on the same page.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, true that, actually.
I think OTT is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. And what's going to happen worldwide is that the largest screen is going to be for films that are more spectacular, which need a giant screen. It's more of an experience of people going together. OTT gives you more of an intimate experience. So there will be definitely the projects that will be made for OTT, which is not going to change. I think they're going to increase.
Yeah.
I think because everyone wants their own privacy, watch what they want to watch, when they want to watch. So theater is just going to be more of a picnic, everybody getting together, or unless it's like a Iron Man 23 being made or something like that. So it's here to stay. It's here to stay.
Yeah.
Nikki, yours.
Yeah. Just to answer your second section of the question was that I don't think as actors, we are limited to a platform. So if there's an OTT and there's a theater and there's TV, we will be everywhere. जैसे कि आपने कहा कि will it damage our time? Will we only be taken on OTT and not on cinema? I don't think so. I don't think so. So
I think if you're talking in terms of actors per se, I think the good thing about OTT is that for theater, there's a lot of expenses that are incurred to promote a film. Therefore, you will have the initial of a film is very important. So the bigger the actor name-wise, the bigger the initial they hope. But OTT is totally content-based. It's not really based on who's doing what. If it's good, it's good. If it can, get you to binge watch, even like Punch Beat, it's, that's it. You don't need stars and stuff. But theaters are still handicapped in that they need a big star to make people get out of their rooms and houses and spend that $500, $200 buy a ticket. So I think OTT is more content-based, and that's fabulous for actors like us who hopefully have some talent.
I absolutely agree. Thank you so much. All the best. And again, thank you so much.
Surbhi, are you coming again though?
Oh, not really.
Oh man, don't do that.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much. We will end this here, and thank you everyone. Punch Beat releases tomorrow on Alt Balaji.
All and
13 episodes.
Thank
Watch
you.
it, guys.
Thank
Watch
you,
it.
Mohit.
Watch it.
Guys,
Watch it.
Thank you. Thanks to the team.
Thanks,
Team
guys.
Nibam, I think we need to really give it ourselves
Let's give it
a
up
round
for
of
Team
applause
Nibam.
for Team Nibam and Nikita Bambani
Thank
for
you.
making it
Nikita